How to switch to professional account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can switch to professional account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to switch to your professional account on Instagram, all you have to do is go and open the Instagram application here, and once you launch the Instagram app, you will see this type of interface where you have to tap the profile icon, tap the three lines option there, and then tap the settings option to come to settings page. Once you're here on this page, you simply want to head over to the accounts tab, and when you head over to the accounts tab, you can just scroll down. You will find the option known as switch to professional account, where you simply want to make sure to tap on it, and as you tap the switch to professional account option, you can just tap on the continue option here, tap on continue, and select the type of professional account you want, whether you want a business account or whether you want an artist account. And after you do that, you should be able to go ahead and then switch to professional account on Instagram. This way you'll be able to switch to professional account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.